E-Loaha is not rectangle.
Right.
It looks like that.
And then there became big issue about E-Loaha and E-Loaha, and I talked to him last time, right? The problem is not E-Loaha, the problem is basic engineering.
Engineering.
Voila. Yeah, E-Loaha is a symbol of something. I want you to keep your E-Loaha. I don't have a problem with that. But do something below the E-Loaha so I can have a stable structure. But if you don't even talk about what's below the E-Loaha and everybody keeps quiet, I have a problem. The earthquake doesn't only go this way, or not only that way, it goes this way, it goes this way, it goes this way. Just think about this. Just, again, architects have to think about it. If the geological reports are telling you Kathmandu moved up 3 feet vertically and it moved 10 feet horizontally, somebody should be asked, what impact has this had on our foundation system? Banji?
My house is tilted 3 millimeter.
That's what I say.
The
Okay?
insurance company, they don't recognize.
Yeah. And he found out because his water wasn't draining from his room.
Stagnant in the terrace. After it, earthquake in April, May, June, July. In August, I discovered after 5 months. So you have to report to the insurance within 15 days. So 15 days crossed. So they said it's too old. And then it is 3 millimeter. You never see with your eye.
Right. But the message on this is the work of restorative architecture is not simple. And if somebody just kind of throw fluff in there and telling you this, that, and confusing the issue, don't get confused. It is, again, very, very, very meticulous. It needs lots and lots of research to back up every little thing. Like even the chuku, like I said, the chuku. You want to put the chuku here, you better have that research backed up, saying the size of that chuku, the location of that chuku, the material of that chuku. You better have that documented somewhere. Then you can say, yeah, there used to be a chuku here. It used to be I don't know what, some wood, let's say. I couldn't find that wood. Now I have put something looking like that, and I may have painted it, right? I may have carved it to look like that, but I put it here for that reason. And that documentation would be the story of Kasthamandap. When tourists come, they say, oh, 2015 earthquake, this building came down. Now these young architects, and I'm going to put it all on your shoulder now, really went in and did the research, and they did this. And when they read that story, then Kasthamandap is going to generate income for the community. Otherwise you will keep on fighting. This guy doesn't like this guy doesn't like this guy doesn't believe in this philosophy. And then what happens? We are not moving. We're going to move at a crawl space, that's for sure. So like I was asking her last time, where is that round pole? What size was it? What wood was it? Where was it? Exactly what was the location, right? So those details are going to have to come from your restorative architects. We're going to do the research and say, from picture, falana picture, they have a right? And historically this, that, and the other, and then you've got something resembling that. In this whole process, again, disability and public safety always. Please, I'm going to pray to you guys, as architects and as engineers, always the word is safety first. I don't care what anybody says. Safety first, Nobalanji. And everything after that is, if you have that in mind, everything will fall into place. But if you ignore safety first.
If you ignore people, why we need this?
Yeah, then why we need this?
Forget about it.
Forget it, that's why I said it. How much you value life. In the old days it was different. Now in the 21st century, you are important, he is important, you are important. And your children are important. Right? For them to have a safe environment is so important that if we don't do this thing right, we are not giving anything to our future generation. We're gone. Balanji is gone a couple of years. I'm gone, Balanji, after a couple of years, right? While going back, I might be gone. We'll never know. So with these kinds of things on this, so my intention was to throw in this piece on disabled accessibility, knowing very well that maybe nothing of it, what I said, is going to get implemented. Or maybe you got to figure out a way and say, hey, this is really important. And maybe if you take it to the community, say, Chikmi Bura Pulichi on again, I want to say, Honey, Jula, yeah, Jula engineer, sir, architect, yeah, Pula Chine. You have the way out now, right?